Today I've got another vintage padlock. This is a German Zeiss Ikon. I think that's how you pronounce it. Got the original key with it. Just show you the key. Now to lock it back up, you need to put the key in and turn it, because that's the mechanism. So obviously it goes into the cutout on the shackle. So it won't lock unless you turn the key back up like that. But yeah, cool old lock. So let's pick it open. I'm going to use a SouthOrd. I'd say that was a shallow hook and an homemade tension tool. Yeah, really nice old lock, this one. I'll do it in my hand. Start off at the front and use quite light tension. Yeah, a Zeiss Ikon. Get it open. So yeah, really nice old lock, that one. Anyway, that's it for now. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try a bit.